not just they're indebted, they actually messed up Africa. They should have corrected their mistakes if they thought they committed some mistakes. In other countries, they did nothing. They did not development. But in the majority of cases, they sucked the wealth of that continent into their countries and made their countries rich and did not develop Africa. That's the reality. If things were equal, they would have said, look, let us do something to help these free Africans now to develop. They just abandoned Africa.
I heard somebody's gonna help. I heard somebody, some whites are gonna help us. No need help from you. 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 Sometimes we need to be with our own nigga. Just between us, nigga. So no need help from those silly stuffs. So help? Fuck. So they tell us how? Fuck up. Have I heard how? Fuck yeah. Bring back your fucking religion into your nation. I'm not the fucking dumbass to be blinded by this damn illusion. So help? I heard some whites are gonna help us. They say some heavenly white people will help us to fight against other white people. Not this time. Then you say
Let's start peace.
peace is it. I always hear that, but I've never felt that. When I see slavery in the 21st century in Africa, mainland Africa, the wealthiest continent but not the healthiest one. Mentally, psychologically, bodily, economically, socially, damn politically. But I know we're more rich in hope. I'm a monk who hopes, and I act on my own without your help, your fucking help. So help, I heard somebody's gonna help, help. I heard some whites are gonna help us. No need help from you, no need help from you, no need help from you. Listen niggas, why do we cry? Why do we die? You say we are sisters, you say we are brothers, but they're still selling us Africans. That's why I try, that's why I fight. If I'm a 9 months I, cause I know we are sisters. Yes, you know we are brothers. So do tell to all Africans, not for sale, we are all humans. And together, we more than stone. We're from one root, we're not alone. So I still repeat it, we don't need their help. Open your ears now, poor bastards. Fuck up your help. Fuck up your help.
Europe held a conference to discuss how to colonize Africa, took a resolution collectively. China has not done so. They came to Africa not to do business. They came to Africa to colonize.